Hey there, I'm Sharon Ann Hamilton. I set out on the journey a while ago to prove to myself that the people on the internet who were talking about making it thousands of dollars were just exaggerating things in order to get other people to sign up for their programs. And I didn't like that. I want to prove whether it's possible, true, or a big lie. So I decided to join a program and do whatever the program told me to do and see if I could equal or make any money online. And I failed. Am I like you or are you like me? Have you been trying things all the way along and they just haven't worked out? So back to the drawing board, I went back to looking and investigating and joined a different program. And today I want to show you what happened during the month of February and March. And I'm going to share my screen and then I'm going to go over to, okay, this is my Stripe account right here. So you can see this 275, 275, 275, 575. All these are income that I made. Adds up to $1,675 in working in this program for 2 months. Now it's not a fortune, no, but guess what? It can help pay for other things in my life that I want to pay for. I want to travel. I want to build a fence outside of the house. And I want to do some more remodeling where we just, in our new home. Guess what? All these things take money. It takes money, and more money. Well, we can always find something to do with money, extra money, right? And if it's not paying the regular bills, maybe these are little additions that you want to have to your life. For me, a big thing is travel. I want to be able to just get on an airplane and go where I want, when I want, how I want, and not even think about the money. So the delight of making money online is I can do it from anywhere. And I think we all secretly yearn to be able to make money from anywhere we are, not stay stuck to a job. So I'm here to invite you to a program, a workshop, a training, or just an introduction Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll put the link below the video and I hope to see you there. I'm just thrilled because I just want to say, if I can do this, you can do this. It's a matter of learning bite-sized pieces of the puzzle, putting it together and being consistent. You'll hear from other people along with our founder. Thank you. Enjoy the wonderful, wonderful day.